Are you having problems with TikTok Live lagging? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my TikTok app and then come to my profile right here, as you can see. Now the second step after that is going to be for us to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to click where it says settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Then I'm going to scroll down in here until I can see where it says report a problem, and that is exactly where you need to click. So click on report a problem in here. Just going to load here for me, and perfect. As you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here. What I'm going to do now is to scroll all the way down and click on submit a report. So click on submit a report. The reason why you need to do this is because in here you are actually able to contact the TikTok support directly, and you need to explain this issue to them so that they can actually fix this. So basically I'm going to write exactly like this to the TikTok support. I'm having issues with my TikTok Live lagging. I need this to be fixed for my account. So basically you can write exactly like this to the TikTok support. I'm having issues with my TikTok Live lagging. I need this to be fixed for my account. Click on submit. And basically now you need to wait like 1 to 2 business days and then try live again. And hopefully this should fix this issue for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.